Aloha, namaskara. I'm Bhavani Maki from Yoga Kauai, and I'd like to share with you some modifications that you can do to take care of yourself in postures where the pelvic bones face forward, such as Parsvottanāsana. Now, usually we're told about the ideal that the back heel should be turned in and down. However, if it creates imbalances in the pelvic structure, this can lead to subluxations in the sacroiliac joint. So more important is to face the reality of your tensility in your structure. Rather than have your heel back and down, you can turn your pelvic bones forward first, and then as you go into the posture, investigate how much you can turn your back heel down without it pulling on your pelvic bones. As Patanjali says, Hayam Dukam Anagatam. We practice yoga to avoid the unnecessary self-generated suffering that is yet to come. Take care, be patient, practice, and all is coming.